Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dan selamat pagi untuk saudara-saudari sekalian. Yang berbahagia Puan Cik Shamsiah binti Omar, Penolong Pengarah Kanan Bahagian Sungai dan Pantai JPS Kelantan. Encik Syari bin Harun, Pegawai Hidrologi JPS Kelantan. Encik Richard Ting Pengarah MES Innovation Sdn Bhd. Para pegawai jurutera daripada MES, tuan-puan jurutera profesional dan mereka bentuk kejuruteraan pada hari ini. Selamat datang ke seminar taklimat polisi masma dan juga oleh JPS Kelantan dan juga workshop MES Infrastructural Software. Jadi idea asal untuk mengadakan seminar ini adalah cetusan idea daripada Encik Ahmad Dinawi daripada engineer, di mana kita cuba mengadakan seminar yang lebih ekonomikal di Kota Baru dengan masa kesuntukan masa yang amat sedikit yang kita ada. Juga bertujuan untuk mempromosi kehendak dan polisi masma terutamanya di Kelantan, dan kita akan mengadakan workshop terperinci kepada jurutera mereka bentuk infrastruktur yang menggunakan package MES software. Ada 5 package semuanya, dan seterusnya untuk jurutera profesional terutamanya untuk memungut CPD points untuk pembaharuan tahunan. Seminar ini diadakan selama 2 hari. Untuk hari pertamanya kita akan mengadakan taklimat berkenaan polisi masma oleh Encik Syari bin Husin. Kemudian kita akan di sebelah petangnya kita akan mengadakan pengenalan awalan berkenaan PON design dan juga MES software yang lain-lainnya. Kemudian di hari keduanya kita akan mengada workshop. Workshop ini merangkumi 5 software MES secara package yang merangkumi longkang, drain, sewer line, pipe air, earthwork dan juga detention pond. Jadi untuk tujuan seminar workshop di hari keesokannya, ya, tuan-puan diminta membawa laptop sendirilah. Pasal kita tidak menyediakan laptop semua. Okey, untuk hari pertama dan hari kedua kita minta tuan-puan mendaftar di meja pendaftaran supaya kehadiran tuan-puan dan puan-puan dicatat dan kita akan mengeluarkan CD yang berkenaan. Breakfast, lunch, makan tengah hari dan tea break disediakan. Di breakfast dan tea break kita akan sediakan di bahagian luar bilik ini saja. Manakala lunch akan disediakan di cafeteria di bawah. Jadi orang sesiapa yang mengerjakan sembahyang untuk Muslim, surau ada di tingkat M1. Untuk CPD points, pihak MES Innovation Sdn Bhd telah memohon kepada Institut Jurutera Malaysia, tapi sehingga kini Institut Jurutera Malaysia masih belum bermesyuarat untuk ini. Jadi pihak tuan-puan boleh membuat interpretasi sendirilah sehingga kini berapa poin yang diluluskan, tapi yang kita harapkan adalah antara 4 hingga 6 poin CPD hours. Okey, untuk seterusnya saya ingin menjemput Encik Richard Ting untuk memberi sedikit ucapan pembukaan bagi pihak MES software. Presiden.
Good morning. Puan Cik Shamsiah bin Omar, Penolong Kanan, Pengarah Kanan JPS Kelantan, Encik Syahri bin Harun, Pegawai Hidrologi Negeri, Encik Kamaruzaman from Perunding Projek Bina, and all the participants, ladies and gentlemen, and all my colleagues from MES Innovation Center Mahas. First of all, I would like to express my sincere welcome to all of you here. It is indeed a great honor for MES Innovation to host this distinguished workshop as a platform to share our engineering knowledge with you. Thank you for coming. I know some of you travel from long distance, could be from Kuala Terengganu, and this serves to remind us how important our work is. In the past, many engineers, including myself, have given the impression that infrastructural engineering is less important than the structural engineer in terms of its liabilities and the degree of complexity. But today, when I see the response, your good response to this seminar and workshop, I have totally changed my mind. So I can get the conclusion that, in fact, structural engineering is the same important as structural engineering. For me, structural engineering could be just a kind of mathematics science. But infrastructural engineering is both. Number one is of course it's a mathematics science plus the environmental science. And you know, environmental science is a creation of God. It's not fully understood by human. Just as simple as formula 1 + 1 is equal to 2. I was involved in developing and distributing the structural software called as Ting since 1994. Throughout the year serving my clients, I found out that many of them are expecting a good local-made infrastructural program for their design office. Obviously, you could have many choice of program, but this is not what they want. They want it locally developed. It's like Bottom Malaysia. After a long anticipation and R&D, MES Innovation successfully launched the MES Infra application software earlier this year. And today, we have already accumulated more than 100 users throughout Malaysia who are actively using our program. Our vision is to minimize the manual process for analysis and design in infrastructural engineering. We should avoid manual work if the task can be handled by the computer, because you know why? Manual work is more costly, time-consuming, and they are involved in human error. So, suppose handmade or manual work actually, like some other like manufacturing products, you can charge extra for it, extra fees. But in our line, many of you is from consultant firm. I don't think you can tell your client, say, hey, please, I need more fee because I do it manual. Other people using computer, so you will not be happy. Just like, for example, we take about the musical instruments. We're talking about the violin. You can get around 1,000. Or let's say that violin is a machine products manufactured by machine. But you can search from those internet. The handmade violin, it could be easily cost up to 30 to 40,000. But this is not true in our field, in engineering service that we provide. We cannot charge any extra fees. So you see, 10 years ago, if you want to deposit, let's say you had 1,000, you want to deposit to the bank, what you need to do? You need to go to bank, get a number, or queue at the counter. You need to deal with the cashier. But now, most of the banking process is replaced by machine and computer. So this is an example of revolution of the computerization that has promoted the concept of automation. I believe this seminar will give you a good exposure, not only in the engineering knowledge, but also the latest software technologies in computing. Be prepared to be challenged, excited, and inspired. Once again, on behalf of MES Innovation Center Bahas, we would like to welcome you. It is a pleasure to see so many of you here, and I hope you will enjoy this seminar and workshop. Thank you.